Hey friends, welcome back. Today I have a Walmart haul for you. Let's jump right in. Let's talk about the Time and True women's tiered mini dress with long sleeves. It's currently $22.98. There are 3 other print options. This was really cute, but it was too short for me. I am almost 5'7". Most of my height is in my legs, for reference. It did, however, have a nice added length to the back of it. I'll hold it up and you can kind of see it here. But in the try-on, I also stand sideways so you can see that. I feel like the waist, the belt loops that holds the belt, it was a little low for me, but that's an easy fix. Just trim those off and move the belt up to the area that you prefer. This is very light, airy. It's a very modern, cute dress. I think this could take you all the way from spring with a light jacket or cardigan over top all the way through into summer. It's very light and airy. The fabric content, 85% rayon, 15% polyester. Very cute. Buttons, it's got the 1, 2, 4 buttons. I was wearing a size large. The sleeves were a nice length and they were easy enough to push up. Next, let's talk about the really cute sandals that I had on with them. I had on the Free Assembly women's flat sandals with a bow. Very, very cute. This is the Raffia option. I believe there are 3 other options. This fit very true to size. It was comfortable. However, I would wear them around my house a little bit before I ventured out for any lengthy walks. Not that they were uncomfortable, just maybe a little stiff and just needs to get broken in. There is a decent amount of padding on this nice flat sandal. Gold buckle, little stretchy spot there. These were easy slip on, slip off. Really cute. And this colorway could go with anything. This would take you from spring all the way through summer. Next, let's talk about the next outfit. I'm wearing a blazer over a black and white striped top. That blazer is the Scoop Women's and Women's Plus Ultimate ScubaKnit blazer with scrunch sleeves. I'm wearing a size medium. They have the built-in scrunch sleeves. This material is that ScubaKnit, very stretchy. I wear this all the time. It's so easy. You can wear it over top of joggers and a t-shirt, jeans, trousers. It's just an easy layer that just brings whatever you're wearing just up a little bit, and it looks very classic yet on trend and just really, really cute. Next, that shirt is the Time and True women's ruched elbow sleeve tee. And I was wearing this in a size large. They have black, gray, and pink available, all solids. This is the only stripe. This was very comfortable. It's very stretchy, lightweight. The sleeves were very flattering. It's currently $14.98. An easy way to upgrade a t-shirt. The jeans I was wearing with that outfit are the Free Assembly cropped straight leg utility jeans with a 28-inch inseam. They have a darker wash and a much lighter wash available as well. These are in letter sizing, so I was wearing a size medium, which is typically an 8-10. It has this nice elastic waist on the back and a regular button and zipper, nice deep pockets. It's got that little hammer loop in it. Back pockets, usable back pockets. A nice thick quality jean. The content, it feels like a substantial amount of cotton. 99% cotton, 1% spandex. Good quality jeans that are going to last a long time. I was wearing some sneakers that I've had for quite a while from 9 West. I will try to find them and link them below as well. Next, let's talk about the shorts that I have on with that same striped shirt that I talked about earlier. It is the Athletic Works Women's and Women's Plus French Terry Bermuda shorts. Now, you can see that these are a little bit longer, but they're not super long. Sometimes Bermuda, to me, I think of much longer, but these are, I feel like, a nice length. I was wearing a size medium. They are currently $8.98, and they have a bunch of neutral colors, as well as some pastels that don't seem to be available. Maybe they're coming soon, but they just haven't been released yet. So if you're interested, keep an eye out on that. I would imagine they're coming out soon. These are nice, stretchy, comfy. These are like shorts you would sleep in, but wear during the day and feel like you're ready to climb into bed. The content is 73% recycled polyester, 22% rayon, and 5% spandex. Nice drawstring waist. This waistband is just very stretchy. Sometimes waistbands can be just very rigid and they don't give enough, so it can make it uncomfortable. It's not the case with these. These are nice and stretchy and comfy. Next outfit, let's talk about this sweater that I'm wearing. It is the Free Assembly Women's and Women's Plus Cozy Yarn Crewneck Sweater with long sleeves. This has been out for quite a while. They have a bunch of colors: blue, black, pink, red, green, and I think a gray. It's very lightweight. I'm wearing a size large. I have a green one. They have short sleeve ones that they often do in the spring and summer. It's got this ribbing, longer ribbing on the sleeves that I always find myself flipping back because I'm always scrunching my sweaters up. It's a beautiful color. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, which is coming up right around the corner. I have it paired with the Celebrity Pink Women's Juniors Cargo Jean. They have had several different washes, but currently in my area, this wash is the only one available and it's limited. You might find you have more of a variety wherever you're at, so definitely check locally. I was wearing a size 13. The inseam is 30 inches, which is like perfect for me. They have that same hammer strap, another pocket. This is a size 13 and it says /31. So I would assume that it's a size 13 is also a waist size of 31, if that's helpful. I thought these were really cute, and I would definitely wear these. And I find myself shying away from some of the jean trends that we've got going on nowadays, but I really liked these. I have several upcoming shorts. I'm going on a trip here shortly to a very warm place, so I'm looking for some shorts to take with me. And I'm finding plenty of options at Walmart in the men's department. So I'd like to share a couple men's items that I'm finding that work pretty well for me. First, the white t-shirt that I'm wearing is the Free Assembly men's everyday cotton tee with short sleeves. I am wearing the men's small, and currently they're $9 each, but I'm pretty sure when I purchased, I have 3 of them, I believe. I have a white, a blue, and I'm not sure the other color, but I think I got them for $9 a piece. But I am noticing they have a number of new colors, nice spring looking colors that have not opened up yet. They look like they're out of stock, but I think they're coming soon. So again, if you're interested, keep a watch on it. This is 100% organic cotton, and I like the sleeve length. Sometimes, I want a little bit more coverage on my arms, and these provide that. They have the nice ribbed edge. This is a nice t-shirt also to wear under sweatshirts and sweaters when you want that little white peeking out. It performs very good for that. But don't negate checking out the men's department. They've got some good finds over there. The shorts that I have paired with that t-shirt is the George men's and big men's stretch twill flat front shorts, 9-inch inseam. And currently they're on clearance. I'm not sure what I paid, but these black ones, which is black soot, is currently on sale for $5.92. They have another couple colors, and then again a host of spring looking colors that are not available yet that appear to be about $12.50. Let's talk about the ball cap I'm wearing. I purchased this a while ago. It's got some texture to it, almost like fleece, and I just love the color. I happened to be in store and I saw it and I grabbed it. I will try to find it and link it below, but my initial search, I wasn't able to find it. It has like a faux leather adjustable strap back here, and typical normal ball cap. It's 50% recycled polyester, 41% regular polyester, 9% viscose, non-leather material. I think it's, a lot of cashmere ball caps are out nowadays, and it's mimicking that. And I just love the color. I think it just is super cute and goes with anything. I was wearing with that outfit the Time and True women's espadrille slingback shoes. These were true to size. I presented these in a previous Walmart video, and these are so comfortable just right out of the box. I feel like I could walk forever in these things. They're so comfortable, cushy. They just fit my foot beautifully. And this nice neutral color, again, will go with everything and anything and go all the way from spring all the way through summer. These are going to be a staple in my closet. Next, let's talk about this Free Assembly box tee. Free Assembly Women and Women's Plus cotton cropped boxy tee with short sleeves. Now it says cropped. I am short-waisted, so use that for reference. I am wearing a size large. These have been out for a little while. I see lots of availability. They are currently $9. I see pinks, whites, blues, gray, stripes, green, 100% organic cotton. Again, nice quality materials. Nice shirt for $9. Walmart is just bringing us great value and great materials. And I'm just ready for it. I'm looking for it, and I will keep bringing everything I can to you. If you guys have any specific interests in mind, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to see what I can do. Let's talk about the pink shorts. They're the same George men's and big men's stretch twill flat front 9-inch shorts. These are a great fit for me and my body type. It may not work out as well for you, but if you're interested, take a look. Last up are the gray George above the knee flat front 9-inch inseam shorts, but these I got in the 32 waist, and these fit great. And the gray is currently $10.98. If you're enjoying this content and find real value in it, would you consider liking and subscribing to this channel? I'm so grateful for everyone out there watching. Have a wonderful day. Until next time.